DNS record, it is a distributed database for storing resource records, which is also called as RRs. And RR, it has a format which has name, value, type, TTL. TTL is basically time taken to leave. And then there are four types of DNS records. One is type A, then second is type NS, which is name server, then there is type CNAME, and then there is type MX, which is mail exchange. So let's look at look at each of them one by one. So type A, it has name as the host name and value as IP address. Let's take example for this. www.xyz.com is the name, value is the IP address, so 172.10.220.5 blah 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 as IP address, and then the type, that is A, and then the TTL, that is 7200 seconds or milliseconds, whatever. And then we have type NS, which is name server, in which name is the domain and value is the host name of the authoritative name server of the domain. So let's take this example. xyz.com is the domain name, which is name. Then ns1.xyzserver.com, this is the value, and then ns, it is the type, and 7200 is the time taken. Then we have type as CNAME, in which name is alias name for some real name, and value is the canonical name. Let's take an example. In this, name is www, and then value is xyz.com dot, and then type is CNAME, and the TTL is omitted here. And the last one is type is equals to mail exchange, MX, where value is the name of SMTP mail server associated with the name value. Okay, so suppose if the name of the mail is xyz.com, so value will be mail.xyz.com, and then the type will be MX, and whereas TTL here also will be omitted. And one of the most important thing is that each type here, NS, CNAME or MX, it all goes to type A and then only go to get IP address. Before that, it cannot get IP address on its own. That's it. Thank you.